What is pennyroyal? Pennyroyal is a herb that has been used for centuries in various traditional medicine practices. It's a member of the mint family and comes in two main varieties: European pennyroyal, Mentha pelagium, and American pennyroyal, Hedioma pelagioides. Known for its strong minty aroma, pennyroyal has been used historically for its medicinal properties, culinary uses, and even as an insect repellent. What is pennyroyal used for? Traditionally, pennyroyal has been used for a variety of purposes. In ancient times, it was used to flavor food and beverages. Medicinally, it was believed to treat colds, respiratory issues, digestive problems, and to stimulate menstruation. Additionally, it has been used as a natural insect repellent. However, the use of pennyroyal, especially in its essential oil form, requires caution due to its potential toxicity. How to identify pennyroyal? Identifying pennyroyal can be relatively straightforward if you know what to look for. Pennyroyal plants typically grow low to the ground, reaching heights of 12 to 18 inches. They have square stems, a characteristic of the mint family, and small, oval leaves that are bright green. The plant produces small, purplish-blue flowers in clusters. The strong minty aroma is another distinguishing feature. How to care for pennyroyal? Caring for pennyroyal is similar to caring for other mint plants. It thrives in well-drained soil and prefers full sun to partial shade. Regular watering is essential, but be cautious of overwatering as pennyroyal does not like soggy soil. It can be invasive, so consider planting it in a container or a controlled garden bed to prevent it from spreading uncontrollably. How to propagate pennyroyal? Propagating pennyroyal is typically done through stem cuttings or by dividing established plants. For stem cuttings, select healthy stems, remove the lower leaves, and place the cuttings in water or moist soil until they develop roots. Dividing established plants involves digging up the plant and carefully separating the roots to create new plants. What to plant with pennyroyal? Pennyroyal makes a great companion plant due to its insect-repelling properties. It can be planted alongside vegetables like tomatoes, cabbage, and beans to help deter pests. Additionally, its low-growing habit makes it an excellent ground cover under taller plants. How much pennyroyal tea is toxic? The toxicity of pennyroyal tea is a critical concern. Even small amounts can be harmful. Consuming as little as a teaspoon of pennyroyal essential oil can be fatal. In tea form, it is much less concentrated, but regular consumption or high doses can still lead to severe liver and kidney damage and other health issues. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using pennyroyal in any form. Is pennyroyal poisonous? Yes, pennyroyal can be highly poisonous, especially in its essential oil form. It contains pulgone, a compound that can cause liver and kidney damage, respiratory failure, and even death if ingested in large quantities. It's essential to use pennyroyal with extreme caution and under professional guidance. Is pennyroyal safe for dogs? Pennyroyal is not safe for dogs. It can cause severe toxicity in pets, leading to symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy, and even death. If you suspect your dog has ingested pennyroyal, seek veterinary assistance immediately. Can you smoke pennyroyal? Smoking pennyroyal is not recommended. The herb contains toxic compounds that can cause serious respiratory and systemic health issues when inhaled. There are no known benefits to smoking pennyroyal, and it poses significant health risks. Does pennyroyal cause miscarriages? Pennyroyal has been historically used as an abortifacient, which means it was used to induce abortions. The herb can stimulate uterine contractions, which can lead to miscarriage. However, this use is extremely dangerous due to the high risk of toxicity and severe health consequences. Does pennyroyal tea cause abortion? Yes, pennyroyal tea has been used to induce abortion. However, this practice is highly dangerous and can result in severe health complications, including liver failure, kidney failure, and death. It is not a safe or reliable method for abortion, and its use for this purpose is strongly discouraged. Pennyroyal versus mint. Pennyroyal is a type of mint, but it differs from other common mints like spearmint and peppermint in both flavor and toxicity. While other mints are widely used in culinary applications, and are safe for consumption. Pennyroyal is primarily known for its medicinal and insect-repelling properties and its potential toxicity. Pennyroyal versus peppermint. Peppermint, Mentha piperita, and pennyroyal are both members of the mint family, but have different uses and safety profiles. Peppermint is widely used in food, beverages, and for its medicinal properties like soothing digestive issues. Pennyroyal, on the other hand, is not recommended for culinary use due to its toxicity and is mainly used for its medicinal properties under strict guidance. Pennyroyal versus spearmint. Spearmint, Mentha spicata, is another common mint that is safe for culinary and medicinal uses. It has a milder flavor compared to peppermint. Pennyroyal differs significantly as it contains toxic compounds, making it unsafe for regular consumption or culinary use. Pennyroyal vs chocolate mint. Chocolate mint, a variety of Mentha piperita, has a distinctive chocolate-like aroma and is used in various culinary applications. Unlike pennyroyal, chocolate mint is safe to consume and lacks the toxic compounds found in pennyroyal, making it a popular choice for desserts and beverages. Conclusion: pennyroyal is a fascinating herb with a rich history of use. However, its potential toxicity, especially in its essential oil form, means it must be used with caution. Whether considering it for medicinal purposes or as an insect repellent, it's crucial to understand its properties and consult professionals before use. Its comparison with other mints highlights the unique characteristics and significant safety concerns of pennyroyal.